Pakistan is weighing a time-bound amnesty for cryptocurrency traders as the bank's flagged security and compliance risks amid more than $250 billion in annual crypto trading reportedly conducted by local users. The proposal emerged during a high-level consultative meeting after Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, argued that virtual assets could help expand Pakistan's GDP and strengthen the money supply. A Binance representative said virtual assets should be counted as part of liquid money, M1, noting their transparency and collateralization potential. The meeting, co-chaired by Finance Minister Muhammad Aurangzeb and Pwara Chairman Bilal bin Sadib, focused on Pakistan's National Digital Asset Framework. Senior banking executives, SBP officials and Binance CEO Richard Teng attended. Officials discussed sovereign debt tokenization to widen investor access, boost liquidity, and position Pakistan as a regional leader in regulated blockchain finance. They also reviewed principles for taxation and compliance, including shifting oversight to licensed exchanges, a gradual capital gains structure, and a possible short-term amnesty to encourage users to shift assets onto regulated platforms. Binance informed participants that about 17.5 million Pakistanis are registered on the platform, including 4 million active traders, collectively holding roughly $5 billion in virtual assets and generating annual turnover of about $250 billion. This excludes activity on other exchanges. Binance officials said these assets could be reinvested into the local economy, while stablecoin withdrawals and API-based verification could lower default risks. Banks, however, raised concerns regarding money laundering and broader security issues. Binance responded that real-time asset visibility and SBP involvement could mitigate risks, enabling banks to lend confidently against verified digital holdings. Officials added that blockchain-based remittance channels could complement the $38 billion received annually through traditional routes and support broader economic growth. Finance Minister Aurangzeb reaffirmed Pakistan's commitment to a secure, innovation-friendly regulatory environment, emphasizing improved compliance, transparent markets and deeper integration with formal financial institutions.